Imagine we're a million miles away. Up here it doesn't matter if it's sunny or it rains. We can walk along the Milky Way, escape the struggle and the trouble, better days. Can you be my astronaut, baby?